That was the main kit sound. Let's try a few more. As a beginner, one of the things I like about this is it comes with its own songs. They're nothing fancy, but it's something I can play along with to give me a bit more confidence. So let's check out some of those songs. And the nice thing about all of this is because this is an electronic drum set, it's really quiet. So this is what everyone in my house hears. This was sent to me so I could make this video, and before I share more of my opinion as a beginner, let me kind of walk you through some of the features that this has. This has velocity on all the drums, so if you hit it softly, it plays softly. If you hit it harder, it's going to play louder. And then with the cymbals, instead of velocity, it kind of changes the sound. So you'll notice this also does have the cymbal choking like that, and then you can play the hi-hat in an open and closed position. The one area that doesn't have any velocity or change in sound is with the bass drum. It's the same if you hit it soft or hard. Another nice thing about this set is you can do rim shots. And overall, as a set, it was really easy to set up. The box itself came with a picture to show how to assemble it. I didn't need to open the instructions, though it does have instructions. It took me probably about an hour to set up. And because of the smaller size, because this is a beginner set, it's really easy to move around. So if you need to move it out of the way, you can do that. It's quite compact for a drum set, so you can kind of get it out of the way. You can move it easily. You can plug it in anywhere you've got an outlet. I appreciate the versatility of that. Another thing that's impressed me with this is the module actually has a lot of functionality, really easy to use. One thing of note, every time you turn it off and turn it back on again, it sets the reverb to 3. Let me show you what that sounds like. But it's really easy to adjust just twisting the knob. It has a metronome if you want to use that. If you want to customize everything individually, make your own kit, if you will, you can specify every drum sound. You can use the knob to adjust the trigger, and you can also use the knob to adjust the voice. So if we come here to voice, and then you hit a drum, like for example the snare, now it's going to allow me to change the voice of the snare. And so now if I go back to kit, everything else is the same as it was before, but the snare is what I changed it to. Let's see if I can change it back. You can reset it if you need to, but you should also take notes of what you're changing it to. But the nice thing about that is you can customize this however you want. So you can get the exact kit sound you want. You can also record yourself playing. Cool beans. And you can even hook this up to a computer. In fact, it actually comes with the cable to hook up to your computer. So if you want to use any MIDI sound and play it with that, you can do that. So for a budget beginner drum set, I'm quite impressed with this. I've used a lot of drum sets. The functionality you get with this is the same as you would expect for a much more expensive drum set. But as a beginner drum set, it does have smaller pads. It is more compact. Everything's all together in one. And honestly, for me, that's an advantage just because I have limited space in my house. So I want something that small. But if you're more intermediate or advanced and you want something that is going to feel more like an acoustic set, then that's kind of where the limitations of this set are. So for a beginner, I would highly recommend it. It even comes with a booklet that teaches you how to do the drums. If you're more advanced and you just want something to practice on that doesn't take up a lot of space, this is a fantastic option. Overall, really impressed with this drum set.